Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best oval drawer pulls is probably one of the most overlooked details when it comes to home decor, but trust me, they can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oval drawer pulls, exploring their sleek designs, versatile applications, and how they can instantly elevate the look and feel of your cabinets and drawers. Get ready to discover the perfect oval drawer pulls to transform your space. Number 5. WEAVERBIRD Brushed Brass Cabinet Handles. These cabinet handles are made of high-quality solid zinc alloy with a brushed brass finish. They are not easy to fade and feel comfortable in your hand. The handles have a 3 to 3/4 inch, 96 mm, pull distance, with an overall length of 4.3 inches, 109 mm, and a projection of 0.7 inches, 18 mm. This design provides a nice grip with enough space for your fingers. These modern and sturdy drawer pulls are suitable for various cabinet styles, dressers, doors, wardrobes, and cupboards. They will enhance your home with their simple elegance. The product includes two different lengths of screws, 0.86 and 1.77 inches. They fit most cabinets, but you might need to buy longer screws depending on your cabinet's thickness. The package includes 4 drawer pulls, 8 0.86-inch mounting screws, 8 1.77-inch detachable screws, and 8 M4 iron gaskets. Each pull is individually wrapped to protect its beautiful finish. What we like? This pull features a premium zinc alloy, ensuring durability and a comfortable feel. It also comes with multiple screw sizes, making installation a breeze. If you are looking for a modern and sturdy drawer pull that enhances your home with simple elegance, you should consider this one. It's perfect for various cabinet styles. What people say? Perfect choice that matches so well the doors in my laundry room. I love them and they are really good quality. These handles are so pretty. They are a beautiful soft gold color, and very classy. They are stunning in a lovely shade of brushed gold, not yellow at all. Number 4. Amerock Oil Rubbed Bronze Cabinet Knob. Introducing the Amerock Cabinet Knob. This is a perfect addition to your cabinets, drawers, or furniture. It's designed to bring both style and functionality to your home. This transitional style knob blends classic and modern design. It's versatile enough to complement any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your space. The oil-rubbed bronze finish offers rich, dark tones with copper highlights. This finish coordinates with top brands, providing a timeless and seamless look. Made with high-quality zinc, this knob is built to last. It features detailed craftsmanship, ensuring exceptional durability and long-lasting reliability. The cabinet hardware knob comes with mounting hardware. This makes installation easy and hassle-free, so you can quickly upgrade your space. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This warranty ensures quality craftsmanship and material integrity, giving you peace of mind. What we like? This cabinet knob boasts a transitional style, blending classic and contemporary elements. The oil-rubbed bronze finish adds warmth and elegance. If you like a timeless, seamless look that coordinates with top brands, this is a great choice. Its durable zinc construction ensures long-lasting reliability. What people say? The pulls are a perfect addition to my new kitchen cabinets. They are a nice weight and feel substantial. The finish is beautiful and seems durable. Number 3. Knob Deals No. 1165 Dresser Pull, Oval, Antique English, 10-pack. Introducing the Knob Deals No. 1165 Dresser Pull. This is a set of 10 pulls, perfect for updating your furniture. They are designed to be both stylish and functional. The pulls feature an elegant oval design. It's a classic shape that complements a variety of furniture styles. This design adds a touch of sophistication. The mounting holes are spaced 2 to 1/4 inches apart. This standard spacing makes it easy to install on most dressers and cabinets. It's a convenient and practical choice. The antique English finish gives it a vintage look. Each pull may vary slightly in appearance, adding to its unique charm. This finish enhances the overall aesthetic. It projects 3/4 inch from the surface. This provides ample space to grip the pull. It is easy to grab and use. The overall length is 3 to 3/16 inches. This size is ideal for most standard drawers and doors. It's a great choice for your furniture. The overall height is 2 to 3/16 inches. This height provides a comfortable grip. It's a perfect addition to your furniture. What we like. This pole features an antique English finish, giving it a unique, vintage look. The oval shape adds a classic touch. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution with a distinctive antique style, you should consider this 10-pack. It's perfect for those seeking a touch of history. What people say. The poles are a perfect addition to my new bathroom vanity. They are a nice weight and feel substantial. The finish is beautiful and looks like it will hold up well. Number 2. Quluxe Antique Brass Drawer Poles. Introducing these beautiful drawer poles from Quluxe. They feature an antique brass finish and an oval drop swing handle design. This will instantly upgrade the look of your furniture. The poles measure 3.14 by 2.2 inches, with a hole distance of 2.32 inches. Please double-check the size before you order to make sure it fits your needs. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this hardware is built to last. It's also easy to install, making it a great choice for any DIY project. These poles are suitable for various furniture pieces. Use them on your wardrobe, cabinet, kitchen drawers, or any other furniture that needs a stylish upgrade. Installation is a breeze. Simply punch holes and fix the screw pole ring to the cabinet. Everything you need is included in the package. Each package includes 4 handle knobs and 8 screws. Get yours today and give your furniture a fresh new look. What we like. This pole is made of durable zinc alloy and features a European modern style. It's also designed for easy installation. If you have cabinets or drawers that need a modern upgrade with a touch of elegance, you should consider this. It's a great helper to pull out drawers and cabinets. What people say. Nice looking handles worked great on making my daughter's cabinet look more like an antique than the original wood knobs. These are identical to the old ones, match perfectly. Very sturdy handles. The finish and quality are what I hoped they would be. Number 1. Restore Hardware Hepplewhite Drawer Poles. This drawer pole is an authentic reproduction of a classic style. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any piece of furniture. Made with solid brass construction, this pole is built to last. Unlike other poles made with metal or pot metal, this one offers lasting durability. The non-lacquered brass finish allows for natural aging. This means it will develop a beautiful patina over time, adding character to your furniture. The dimensions are 2-3-4 inches high and 3-3-4 inches wide. It features 3-inch center-to-center mounting screw holes, making it easy to install. Whether you're restoring antique furniture or working on a new woodworking project, this drawer pole is a great choice. It's designed to be a perfect replica of an antique original. What we like. This pole features solid brass construction for lasting durability. The non-lacquered brass finish allows for natural aging. If you are looking for an authentic reproduction of a classic style, you should consider this one. It's perfect for restorations or woodworking projects. What people say. I am so happy with these. I love that I can polish them or keep them age. Either way, they go perfectly with my nightstands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.